Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. See, for the first time watch the channel here, please do subscribe. You know what I mean? We're up on the beach road. Right beside Jungle nightclub, you know what I mean? When I was young, I used to go to that place, you know what I mean? But anyway, we're there up on the ground and hold it off. Alright, watch a movie here. Let's go.
We got, whoa, we got, oh, oh, hey, it's not like yesterday. We got problem now, 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 we got problem now. You can run but you can't hide. You can run but you can't hide. You'll have to pay for the things them you do. Not gonna get away so easy.
Yeah, girl. So later I call her cause I buy one bucket of chicken and I left some for myself, so I hit me got up right now. So later. Alright, girl. Sleep so. Girl! Get up, man! Get up! No! No, you're too hot, Ada. Get up, girl! Get up!
Thank you, when you come in there,
Girl! Imagine! Me give 5 pieces I made and keep back 4 for myself. I go back in and me half. I'll never get so greedy.
I'm with the Pinky.
What me chicken now me left in this?
Girl, this, when you go and tell us I want to you say, alright, take it.
Alia, stop front tell lie for me. Alia, stop front tell lie
just
for
come
me.
in here, you make me head hurt me right
Girl,
now.
me give 5 pieces of chicken and take 4 for myself and you go back in and go near me. Make us so greedy, Alia.
Pinky, me head a pain because you come and wake me up with it at night. Me that pain me for cut over chicken. Chicken can't buy back.
Hey girl, I saw me know you don't like me, you know.
What you mean by me not like you?
I saw me know you don't like me, you know. Cause me can't believe that me left me chicken in a saw you gang and near me out. So what, you know what me get fat? You know what me get fat? Alright, bye back.
Next time I buy you near me.
Alright, buy back me things. Dead dog.
Idiot, yeah. Please, my belly full.
Marika, I saw me know my sister not like me. You know, say girl, them out the whole of my chicken after me get already. Yeah, that tell me. But I name believe. I know me believe. But it's alright, everything good. I'm gonna fix our case.
Not gonna get away so easy.
More ask you something. You ever get heartbreak before? What is a heartbreak?
Remember what is heartbreak? You don't know what heartbreak means?
No, I never get it before. I don't know how you feel.
Alright, let me tell you how you feel. It's like, you say you have one business now, and you invest in your business, you put in all in your business, and then you just go bankrupt. You know that feel? It's a heartbreak feel. You have one whole heap of money today, and then you're glad and say, yeah, me can go buy my new suit, me can go party with my friend later. Bam, somebody rob you. You know that feel, right?
Heartbreak, but another more I hear though. Me hear some people talk, so they're in a relationship and they love a person so bad and a person turn on and hurt them and then take it to heartbreak. So
Yeah, just like the business. You're in love with the business, you put in your all, you put out your all in it. And one bad person walk by, bam, you lose everything. Just like me, you know, if me push out my all now, one man, you know, everything, every little thing what me have. And then me go catch the man with one other woman. That's a heartbreak. It's going to break your heart, it's going to make you do all the things. Sometimes make you want to kill yourself. Yeah.
kill yourself.
Yes.
Well, if I so heartbreak the people, me no want feel heartbreak. God know me no want feel something there. That's why me stay far from them man, because them man no righteous.
Well, sometimes you have to take chances.
So anyways, where you going?
Me dey plan to go up on the road and get something to eat. You know, I know.
Well, eatings can stay for last, you know. What me I say I know is, I get one link to go up on one farm work. Yeah.
Work.
Come like you not understand what me I say. I get a link to go over.
So wait then, I have 2 questions for you. Where you get the link there from? And who I first may hear about that day?
Alright. You say how I first I hear that? I just never ready to tell her it. But now is the right time. Me I tell her now. And how me come by that link, me have one little spooky on the side where I always love me off. And him get the link for me. So, me tell him say, me go give him one little thing. I know one girl to man argument and you look what I'm saying.
So,
but you know me not give him nothing.
No, that's not my business. That part is not my business, right? Whether you want to give him or not give him, that's not my business. You're a bigger man. What me I say is, you have one little spooky, we have big link like that. And I first you tell me and you a sister. Me and you share everything and I first you tell me that.
But sis, you know say, who first come by the link and go over go deal with anything. Cause look how we live out there. When we have to make it out.
No, me never say nothing wrong with that, you know. When we have to make it, yes. But that don't mean say one have to be you or one have to be me. You understand me? I say it have to be you.
Anyways, you get a link. I'm so grateful for it. But now make nothing stop me. But here we go on now. The police record has shake me up right now.
Well, I don't know if it tells about that part still, you know. So, you have to just find a way to look about it.
Because, and I like say, me ever do nothing bad in my life. But one time, I get one little speeding ticket.
That I go mash you up still, you know. The speeding ticket, it's a hell of a thing. I go mash you up. What me I try to say to you is, you see anytime something like that, something big like that, you're supposed to tell me first. Me, I first one supposed to know. And right now, I feel like I'm here last somebody tell. Probably if they tell me, I could have helped with that the police record a long time.
No, sis. Yeah, first and the last somebody when I tell right now. Remember saying, you know, and everybody have to tell say I go sometime, you know, because bad mind, you know.
No, me never say nothing like that. When people now go just get up and bad mind so you have to do something for people bad mind.
You're mad. You're not afraid enough for nobody bad mind in this world right now. Anyway, that's one thing me I worry about right now is the police record. But I got me saying, I got me believing her. I must go over.
Alright, me must go over. You must go over, man. You must go over.
What I say, sit down. Girl, I'm tired. When I say I'm tired, I mean I'm tired and frustrated.
What could I tell you do so?
I'm gonna get you the package, girl.
What? I mean, they depend on the package just still, you know. Why?
Bye.
Right now, me they stress out because my sister him come bring up argument about farm work last night. Stress me out. But she get farm work.
Farm work. Me not trust that the one day. Me not trust that the one day, girl. Big woman thing. Me have one, imagine, let me tell you something. Me have one cousin. About 2 years ago, she was going for farm work. And somebody put drugs
Drugs.
in her suitcase. And she get catch at airport.
What kind of drugs? You like pill and then something?
Everything I can think about. Cocaine, Mali, all kind of thing.
So that means that if they like catch you with Molly, you now get the police record or so.
Yeah, your police record. Remember say you go to jail now, you get locked up, go to prison, go and do time and they sitting there.
I see.
Me not trust that they sitting there. Me not trust it. But she get farm work.
Well, that she said to me last night, so how she have this friend where basically her man. And the man have somebody will link with some farm program business and whatever. One is a long story. I don't really know about what one. But all me know is, me don't know how she feel get farm work before me. That me want to know. And me first to get farm work, and me a bigger one. That kill me right now. I me don't know how she have man, and me don't have man. I me a bigger one now, me first to start take man. Me don't know how she a take man before me.
A man take a she be.
Oh, sister talk.
I guess my time done here, so you know. Me and you will chat.
Yeah, me call you. Right, but she want farm work and man.
Sister,
Yeah?
how are you?
I'm gonna do you know, say I just a think about some stuff.
Oh, you keep them girl as friend.
Which girl has friend?
You wanna live there. Oh, you keep her as friend.
What you mean by how me keep her? I'm my friend. I know you're a friend. Nah, nothing to do with you.
Sis, them the girl no good for you.
Listen to me. Me I tell her what good for you? You have a friend, then me tell her so you don't have to keep a friend them. My friend, not your friend. You keep your, me keep mine. Me know what good for me. You understand?
But my friend, when me have always a look out for me.
So who tells her she not look out for me?
She not look out for you.
Oh, you know that?
She look bad man and corrupt.
No. Are you a bad man one now? Cause you can't tell me, come here so can't tell me what kind of friend to keep a bad man are. Do you wanna you me out here chat to them? You fit happy.
Alright.
You know like them style.
Alright.
Don't do it again, man. Me keep my friend them, you keep your friend them. Rubbish.
Later, mommy, yeah.
Oh, girl, come here one day we are there. So long.
Later.
Shit, the dry man. Eh? So, you sure say place still up in?
Of course, the place still up in me. Links, you know, make you think me a ton police. Understand?
Well, like I told you, have ambition, you know.
That I keep.
We're full of ambition. But you know, we have to look out of the ICM way. Because bad mind active.
Enemy arise.
So, I don't want to tell anybody say, me I deal with that thing right now, you know. Me I tell my sister.
You tell who?
My sister.
You must have matter.
And my friend, see where she look for me. Why? Nothing she like what happened to me right now.
Pinky, a wrong thing you do. Me and your friend, you should tell your sister nothing. You know, say your sister not like you. You should keep that to yourself between me and you alone. What you gonna up in your mouth for? Next thing, things gone bad or whatever.
Why? You want to see how she doing when her friend gone just because me tell her, say, them the girl, you look dirty girl when you empty her. You know she not like me and me not like her.
A hypocrite that.
You want to see how she do me through me tell her, say, them the friend the way I keep no good. The girl run me shame, I just go in.
Boy, rough. And you're fool, you know? You're fool to your one sister band.
Me know me go take it now. Take it some fool to the car. Me really fool for true. Turn me on my back.
Turn around. I drop me now, go turn petty.
You should have turned me on my back. Happy face, girl.
Me have for myself too. Hey. Yes, when I feel time, me will follow you, see me or you follow me.
But yeah, say man, my friend. Must not. You know if we think like already. But
no
girl,
man, but yes sir. Not for yourself, because you get through already, you know. Because you not do no wrong,
why?
so.
Me feel it, my friend. Me feel like me will get through. But here, what I want to say to you is just love how we step up in our life and be a progress that come through. Because they can't hold you back, you know.
You must
They
have
can't
mad.
hold you back. But girl, me happy face. Just like how your police record come through. Could that thing? I saw me want for me
And
to come in, my
Sophia
friend.
come through, know
I
yourself,
saw me want if you
man.
come in. But anyways, later, here.
Yeah, man.
Later.
Later.
Alright.
Aye.
Where you come from?
Don't have my friend me go. Awa.
Nothing. I just because me hear say yeah, the gang got look about some police record business and then me not see you yesterday, so me I wonder where you got look but you not tell me.
Oh, you know, say, I miss same friend my father go look about our police record.
So she go too?
No. Police. She at all.
Oh, she going to force.
Yeah, so I go to see how your procedure go. That's when I go deal with it. I know how you go.
Oh, because me the upset, you know, because I say, oh, you can go look up police record and not tell me and let me know when you go do it or what is what that me couldn't even give one little fear or something. I want lunch money or something. Come on, if you go, you know. Come on, if you go, they're going to make one better life and help me out and help yourself and, you know.
Well, you know, say next week, I'm going to deal with my own though.
Next week when?
Next week, Thursday, so. And just that, me and her go up on the road and me follow her. I'm so happy for her, because
to get through.
me and you just enough so. You just enough so. Anyways, I'm just happy for her because we have come from far. And it's a girl I love and respect. You understand? So I'm just glad everything I come true for her. So.
See, make everything I come true for you. I want everything come true for you as well.
Yeah, man, it's about man. Believe in a God.
Thursday morning before you go, just link me and give you one lunch money and give you a little blessing, you know? If everything work out for you.
Alright, so.
I'm cooking now, so if you're hungry, you can go eat some of my food in there.
I'm not really hungry now. Because my friend did buy 2 food for me and her, so. We drink tropical rhythm, so we alright.
Alright, you know, if you tell me all the details, just say you're not hungry, that's all I need to know.
No, but
more food for me.
I tell you about my friend. Because I love her, you know.
Alright,
I'm a real friend that. Wait, so when you tell me about
no,
that
listen,
the girl,
no.
let me listen.
I can't come to you and say nothing to you about her because what? You don't like her, she don't like you.
Why you not put it that way? She
why?
first never liked me.
Yes.
I so come me get to like her because my heart clean enough.
Well,
But
that's a few on her few and her business, not mine. She my friend and me know me love her and she love me, so yeah, they say it.
Alright, so me I go in then.
Go on, man. Me there to sit down and go and cool out.
Yeah.
Girl, as I call me, you just run come. Yes, I think the garden. Oh, what's so urgent? How are you pregnant? I joke me.
Me man.
I joke me, girl.
Girl, my sister is going to tell me about next week Thursday. Not even next week Thursday coming, she going to look about the police record. And I don't want she get the police record.
You come with
So
this again?
I don't want to take time to talk. I want you help me with it. Help me
Me and
mash
no
up
police.
it. Guys, no. Help me mash up it that she no get it. You tell me say one of your cousin friend did look about you and say a jug. So I know you have some whole heap of cokehead uncle over there. You can't get some of my cokehead come and put it in her bag or something when she go Thursday.
You sure that you want to do?
Yeah, me sure. Remember, she don't like you, you know. She hate you like a pies, you know. So you feel
But
on my
that's true.
side, you know.
You know,
She
say,
hate you.
you know, say me the on your side, man, but me just ask if you sure say that you want to
Me
do.
100% sure say that me want to because me don't like how this a go and me shouldn't fly away. Me and you fear fly out of this country. Not she. And then she can tell me about how fear her friend go look about police record her there to get through in the force. She want to be police.
Mm.
So you see, things are look up for she and fear her friend and it's a good one for me and you. So what you think we do?
That's true, you know.
So just go feel like drugs over here. I'm like, uncle, they know, say I take it away, you know.
You wear my uncle and coke out. Then we argue me.
Eh?
Mm.
Just go for it.
Alright. Let me tell you something. You see if me help you with this and nothing go down, so no call me name.
Girl, I told you in this.
Me and you know nothing. Listen what me I say, do not call me name.
I paint a finger up in
No,
my
me
face.
just make it no, me just make it no. Don't help you, man. Alright, this one come, this one come.
Marika, you know, say I don't have police station. Me I go right now for the police record. Yeah. So you ready? Make sure you're not girl. No, no, no. Alright. Use the bathroom and come back.
Pinky! When our girl and I go late? Where they gone?
Bathroom, I'm come on. Let's go one biscuit.
Hurry up, listen to me, let me say something to you. You see the top road? And I me hear they say some bridge pop down on top road, so drive on the bottom road today. Nobody got top road because I don't want nothing there. You understand? So drive on the bottom road. Yeah, safe travel. You have to take up the money though?
Yeah, me take up the money.
Alright, so look over.
Alright, later here?
Come on, you not ready? You want late?
One piece of diarrhea hold me a while ago.
When do you?
Diarrhea.
Come on, hurry up. Alia,
Oi!
Alia, hurry up.
What happened?
You know,
Girl, stand up on time, you idiot!
you know, Pinky get locked up.
Where me my Pinky get locked up? Pinky get locked up for?
They catching me drugs.
Yeah, that
You know,
tell like, you think till you're not idea for
it's
prank,
true.
you know?
I'm being a good one. Do you don't believe me? They lock up Pinky for drugs. Me don't know how Pinky good on a station with drugs in her bag earlier. I used to
Pinky
them
have...
up. I don't know if you say, come my friend now do something like that. I never like
You
your
know what?
sister.
Come out of my yard. Me a good on the go let me sister. You come
You
out
see
of my
you?
yard.
You
Me
see
say
if
come
I
out
you,
of my
you see if I
yard.
you
You
do
there?
this,
Bow set up.
members say you have to pay fee.
Come out of my yard, man. Jesus Christ, sis. What happened? Pinky talk to me. Me not like
Why?
this. How come this could have happened to you?
Let me say people know what I want. I find drugs in my bag. I don't know what drugs
So
is
what
in my
you
bag.
doing? I believe you say you don't know. But if I don't know how you reach in there, that more I know. You know, a police record they go look, but oh, you have drugs for you. Pinky, me know you do drugs.
Brother, where you come for? Take me out of jail.
No bother with it. No bother with it. Do not bother with it. You know me I go bail you because you are my only sister. Me have to bail you. I'm in love you, understand? Me I go check your JP and come back. You understand?
Right now.
So listen, just
Right
bill,
now.
sis. Just bill. Just bill. Me so come. Hello, sir. Me can ask you one question?
Yeah, man, ask you, man.
You know spot no JP there?
Yeah, man, I know one and two of
You
them.
can tell me one day, please, because my sister has some problem.
Up the beach, there's a hardware. Up the beach. After you pass. I think at the second, on your right hand side, when I go to the beach, there's a hardware there. I don't remember the name. But one JP always in there.
We up a beach up, sir?
Yeah.
So
Or you
far.
can check. We're on the road also. You can check. Brother Bill.
Rather go on the road.
I
but
grew
up
on the
a
road, but if you know the time I go, so if,
Mhm.
if you know around there, you
have
go
to
to the
go up a
beach. Yeah, but you know, so you have to hurry. And then I
Alright.
work certain time, but if I something urgent, what problem?
My sister forgot do one police record to them and then some way, somehow, they find drugs in her bag. She don't know
Well,
how.
go and do the fast then
Yeah,
because
alright, thanks.
time I go.
We
Oh,
got.
God. Sis,
Whoa, we
well,
got.
me get you something signed. Me get you sign something, you understand? So, what they must say to me is that you have to go stay behind bars till your first court date, which I know long, you know that. So, you see, as soon as you have a court date, you get bail same time. So, I go stay in there for maybe 1-2 nights. Me I come down, I can link your car food, can give you car, change your clothes, can give you everything, you understand? Now yourself, me I take care of you, man. You understand? Sis, stop stress out yourself now. Sis! 2 nights. Sis, no worry yourself. Me say me got you, I got you. No worry yourself about it. Me I take care of everything, man.
Who do me this man? I got who do me this.
Sis, say you want nothing here now?
No, no good man.
Alright then, me come back and check you here.
We got. Whoa, we got. We got. Oh. Oh. Hey.
Yeah,
It's not like
girl,
yesterday.
yo. You just love me kitchen, so come now, man. You know, so me have
Hold
to
on,
give
hold on.
you
Me
news.
take a bite of last piece of sandwich.
God almighty, what a girl for yam.
You can't
Where
eat
you
in
love a belly,
peace.
so?
Eh? You can't make me eat in peace.
All day you come here now when you want near me now.
Well, okay.
Sure. Me say, girl, they hold on from Pinky and lock him up. Yeah. Basically, they ain't catch her with the drugs in her bag. And when me go down there, they must say, a young girl like that, not go handle drugs or so they don't have no case. So they won't let her go on something. But she police record get messed up, so you
Get
know
messed
say.
So
She
it
can't
work.
bother go nowhere. Say,
So no trace
I'm
or nothing,
glad.
no.
No chase and nothing no lead back to me,
Okay.
nobody. I'm just
Alright.
glad how it walk. That's all. I'm just glad. I don't know me over joy right now.
You look happy. You look excited. But I hope you not turn when I'm biting the.
Anything about me, about you too.
I'm glad you don't have no evidence with me. But anyways, what on?
So how me not safe away? How you did it?
Girl, that one different story. Different. No, one man me find a Kingston. Kingston is how far me live from.
Because Kingston for man.
God, Kingston, me and boy a chat on phone day and night. Me excited. Let me tell you, say video call, FaceTime, everything I can think about. You see when I go to town? Me dey at town for one bad 2 weeks. Girl, you don't know what happened? 1 week, Jelly Batman me go up there too. No use the boy not have. When me say
So
no.
Landy, so you got town, 2 man, and come back done without your preps up. Can you
No.
go look weak Jelly Batman?
Me say nothing at all. Me not get one thing with the boy now. Me can get breakfast in bed, you know. Like a sponge. Soft.
Jesus Christ, we don't know.
Me say me can get breakfast in bed. Why we all beard me? You know the little style like? But when it come down to when things are going, nothing. Nothing. Pay excuse. Let me check it to the nitty-gritty. Sponge.
Flaky.
No use to buy that. Young green boy.
Well, if I didn't mean like you would have to send me one picture so before me got town.
No. When me tell him to send me the picture, you know what the boy say? Guess what the boy say?
What you say?
Eh?
What you say?
Hey, me have to laugh. Just guess what he say now?
How me fi guess what you say? Me don't know what you say. How me I gonna know what boy say?
Surprise. You have surprise to me. You know have to send no picture. Me fi believe. So that me do.
So basically he knows that I go ham, so that's why I not send you a picture. But through you why you left and you got Kingston or town or wherever you just say you go. Why I'm
Never again
disappointed?
in a life it a go happen to me.
Honestly, I'm disappointed.
But anyways, me glad all your thing work out with your sister
So
though.
she a come out in the next 3 days or maybe 4 days, I'm not sure. But what me want to do, me a friend her up. Me a make sure say me did the PP clock for her. She want spoon. I could have done the same day and in there so I say take up the film me and take up the cause what? Me want her link.
So
You
you
see
feel
that the
so
link there? Look here, my sister trust me. Right now, it trust what she have for me. No other trust not there. You understand? So
well,
she trust me now and through me I run up. Me say girl you want to see me I run up under that look JP to sign bail bad. Just for she trust me. I know it a work so you see when she come here, me not go say it to her anymore and she say it to me because if me say it to her, it a go look too straightforward like I me do things. So you understand?
I understand.
So me just a wait for her to say it. And next thing again, the icing on the cake. For her friend America now go there to pick her up the one time she a come out. Because America have to go do some police test. Cause remember me tell her she had done police? She have to go do some test on the same day. And guess who I go there to pick her up now? Yours truly.
Brava.
Me say girl, me can't wait. I can't wait. Me don't know anxiety a take me. That if all the man in so-called link and the man that if all me I'll get at the man there too. Just watch.
Girl, everything I go work out.
Yeah, I know say once me gone over there, your pocket tag of this, yes sir, you know.
Make
You
sure.
You know you not have to worry about
Kind
that.
of found a love promise before things work out. And when the
Yeah,
things
me
work
ask
out.
her a question. Me ever promise you I not keep it?
No, but you're there
Exactly.
Jamaica.
No, I see him thing. Me know you help me out, you know. And me can't bear. They haven't feed me.
Anyways, me I come home. So later.
Yeah, man, you call it.
We
But I go back in my personal here.
No, not
we
my
got,
You're on there near me door.
we got,
Don't throw up you. And see your back.
hey. It's not like yesterday. We got problem now. 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 You can run but you can't hide. You can run but you can't.
So you feel sis today back home, you know, in a place.
You'll have to pay for the things
Oh,
that
hold
you
on.
do. Not gonna get away.
I say you tired? Oh yeah, stress but me not tell you to stop stressing myself.
Sis, I know how hard it be. I know how hard jail feel. Yesterday, look at 2 days when you see me in there for. I don't even know. Worse, them pins in the palm me when I not do, brother.
But you come out now, me tell you say me I go do everything to get you out. And me get you out now, you're the back home. Even though me know your business mash up or whatever. But I just life. And the opportunity I got there. So just come go in and
Which opportunity? Because remember, I know, me I try to go over to make it for me, right? And
Yeah,
somebody set me up. All that reaching in my bag.
I don't know where you go when you leave out of the house.
No good.
This thing I just go tap and do one bathroom break and somebody just go, I don't know. But even if you understand, I just saw Jamaican and I saw a world scale. And that you just need to understand. I'm really sorry about what happened to you, but I just like we can't change what happened. If we couldn't reverse the mode, but we can't. So stop stressing out yourself. Whole heap of work there. Who if tell when time we finally clear up and they realize say you're innocent, who if tell us if you now get to go over. When they clear up everything, another opportunity now go there. You're still young, you know. Remember, you know, you're a young girl, you know. And I like say you're old, you're 50 or you're 60 or 70 and you're still young. Other opportunity will come. Just believe, sis, me I beg you, just believe in me, man.
But how long it go take to clear up?
Ask on to the detective, you know, in the say, you know, look, young girl like you, who do drugs, you understand? So they must probably have somebody a run, a hide in your bag or something. So that's why you get to come out, because then she say, then I have no strong evidence for you, to say I feel hit. Then test your blood, you don't have no drugs, you never do drugs yet, so you're good, man. It's so clear up, now yourself.
This opportunity only coming once a life, you know.
No, once. You can't come
That
twice.
make it know, you
Just
know.
believe in me and believe in a Father God.
I just see how this anybody do me this a wicked them, you know.
Just know yourself. Go lie down and take some
Anybody
rest.
will do me this a wicked anytime it a fall back on them, you know, go nice. Remember me tell you.
Know yourself, man. Sis, you make sure here for you. Sis, I want
You make tea for me?
yeah, me know, so your belly feeling a little bit but or smoke or feel or something. How long can you do this?
This like first I do this, you know. This
What happened to you?
I can't believe.
Girl,
Like,
listen.
first you do this to me.
Yeah, but me decide say we have to go change. Me and your blood sister. We have to change. We have to start live like one. If I'm sick, me got your back. If me sick, you got me back. You understand? So when me see him the other day, then lock you up for something you don't do, me never like it. And that me see do now me think funny and me say no man, I'm one sister, you know. Suppose something did happen, me know that do. Imagine how more than a bad, me would be the same person. So I say, I will start change my life and take care of you because you're a younger one, you know, so I have to take care of you.
Alright. So here what go on now, sis. Cause I can't make the opportunity I left with. Here what go on. You see on the paper. I'm gonna make them take off my name and put fear name on it.
For me name?
Yes, sis.
But I feel link.
No, listen, man. You see, true because me don't get sugar already. When I will have to go over, go make you money to make things better.
So, and you can't even take care of you more.
Yes, sis. So me go make them take off my name and put fear name on it because this is an opportunity can't miss we. None tally can't miss we.
Alright then,
So
do that then. Let me see where you go.
do that. Alright, I can put on your cup for me, please.
Yeah.
Go on lay down.
Alright, there then. Then I want to make fear so.
Girl, listen, I don't know what me get myself in now. Like, you ever hear them say lay down with dog, you have to catch flea? Girl, you remember we jelly Batman and me that tell you about that day? Pity you don't know when do me.
What? When do you?
Every single thing where the boy give me, the boy take it back.
What you say?
Me say everything, he take it back.
Mr. Take it back.
Eh?
Boy, you're not lucky though, you're unlucky. Bad.
Me say me don't know what kind of mama man style that the man have.
Yeah, me don't know still, but I'm sorry for cut you. But girl, we have good news. Guess what?
What?
Oga foreign, Oga on the work.
You get through?
If me get through,
But differently before me happy for you. You have one style, you know. You never can sit down and listen to my problem.
no, me I go listen. Listen, you know, me I go listen. Just stop. Listen me. Me know what you go say. When you tell me your story, me not listen. I always sit down and listen to you. But now is not the time for sad news. You understand? He don't come and he don't take them back. Where you go to sit down and sad over it?
No, but me just have vent to feel better. But
Alright,
anyways.
vent later too.
Alright.
Vent later. Me get through. Yes.
You mean she get a link?
No, she don't give me yet in about I go call them and change the name. Take her fear name and put on my name.
Oh.
Cause she say to me, say it don't make no sense to how we sit down there. Come to say that go, right?
Yeah.
Me know my sister well. And when she can go, she a go make me go.
Girl, me happy feel no everything go through. But once she change the name and sit and legit sitting there, man.
Yeah, legit. So me just can't wait. All the man number me want him give me. When me go use my head pan him and ask him say, so how me I go get in contact with somebody who have a link, and then she will say, me I'll get a number man. She up
Yeah,
there
like
sleep now.
you have everything covered then, man.
Yeah, so soon and very soon I will be out of Jamaica. Yeah.
Slow down.
Oh,
But me happy for your friend.
so you tell me to slow down for?
No, me just tell her say sometimes we're not too happy. Happy go lucky. You understand what I say? So just slow down.
Yeah, so what you say about the man now? The man take back everything and what? What you go do about it?
I don't have a thing to do. I don't know. But me just say. Me say, all of that day, you know, the man come down here, you know. After me tell you everything, you know, the man come there. I say, me give him a next chance. The man buy more matches, everything take back. Everything.
You know, say I eat that.
What?
I'm getting him saying can't do anything.
Me don't know if you pretend.
Yeah, you want me? When I don't pretend and I don't go on with myself. I get look water out of a place like I may do it. When me done.
You know, say disgusting like everything what you do?
A part of life. And everybody I go good. Somebody have a bad.
Well, me don't know how to do it, so I'm sorry.
Cause you're mad somebody. The man have money though.
Yeah.
The man buy you how much the man could have take you out type piece of house that you have around there. And put you in the upstairs and downstairs, and elevator, AC inside. And you tell me, say, I should have me, you don't want me.
Anyways,
What? You go over and go lead on and ball. Ooh, me lose me my trash gone. That you go over and go do. Me know you,
you
know.
know, say Jeremy. It's
Yeah,
alright.
yeah, I'm not jeering you. But me know how you stay. As soon as you come out of a relationship, you lead on your ball like you know no sense. Before you get up and go back out there.
Well, right now, me off the market. Come, me can't bother.
Well, me still on. Sorry.
Anyways, I happy for you, my friend. Come. Me happy
So
for
how you
you.
leave me in my box so like?
Oh, shit. Me a come go home. So later.
Go here.
Me happy for you for sure.
Yeah, me know you happy, but I just... I can't take you back. Look more.
We got. Whoa, we got. We got.
Say something to you. You know, say that thing is not good. No, the phone in your breast.
Oh.
That
Well.
thing, no rub it does so. It's cancerous, man. You understand? You better have a rasta upon them than the phone upon them.
What do you mean by a rasta pan there? Where you get rasta from?
No me. We are going now. We are pass here.
Alright.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man. So me I tell you. I and I. Remember, you know me? I mean, give the direction what the man.
Oh,
For the JP. Which one you get through with? Which one you get through with?
The one where we happy beach, me there have to go.
Yeah, you get her thing.
Yeah, me get her
No, you know if you get her nothing, man, I'm free, man.
but free, but
or you buy her
in the
juice.
past, no, this year no, she did done work.
Oh.
You understand? And me the well need it, in need it. You understand? So me just get her thing and cut.
Alright, well, if that's so you get through, so you get through. But me I say to you now, though, how things do the differently.
You say everything alright, everything will work out perfect.
Come here and tell us something, you know. When I do something good for your female, I feel good in myself, you know what I mean? And I don't know what kind of thing, really and truly, the single, you know what I mean? And I say, yeah, come, because I pray and I say, Jah, lead me in the right way, and one vice, get up and walk, fire. And I just start steps, so, you know, same time I see you forward. What a coincidence, you know what I mean?
I mean, yeah, me go.
Up the way they live.
Yeah.
But you're good though. You have man.
No, not at the moment.
Well, we go seize the opportunity. We never can tell what go on. Put your phone number in the phone. Yeah. There be more things I can help you out with. You never can tell. You know what I mean? We can start out as friends. Because a friend in need is a friend indeed. And then it's a friend F friend. So we can work out something.
We got.
Yeah, man, we talk though.
Whoa,
we talk.
we got.
I don't know what you do in the light, what you do in the dark.
Oh, hey, it's not like yesterday.
Yes, sis.
We
So,
got problem now. We got problem now.
go on.
Why, sis?
What happened?
Happy for you, see?
I'm glad too. Probably who we tell a Sophia turn. Know yourself, man. Remember, say them I work on for your thing, so it's so clear up and then your turn.
But you know, like how me never get the opportunity, yeah. You know, feel say so other way I should have go.
Yeah, I saw if you go fan in the beginning, I saw if you go.
Cause guess what? Eh? I
saw if you go, yeah.
Oh. Me think me hear different thing a while ago. Cause me I say
mind overcrowded, man.
Cause me I say like how me not get figure and you get figure. You know me happy for you, sis.
Yeah.
You can go over and make money for me and you. Take care of me.
By me reach over, money are coming for you.
Well, happy for you though.
Just take care of yourself. Come, follow me go to Ikea.
I'll carry for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
To tell you the truth, I'm sorry I never there for do it up and down for you. I know some other did not have your back, but I did have to do a camp.
You understand what you're saying about just shake up. You just shake up for me get the opportunity to go over and
I just lose in a blink of an eye.
somebody shake me up. There as I talk to you right now, cold bump just a take over my body. I just can't believe somebody really do me that.
Hold my hand. Me your best friend from where you look up at me. And now me turn police, I promise you, me have to find out and who do this to you. You understand? Know yourself. We are gonna get down to the bottom of this.
I know you gotta me serve, man.
And what
I go
goes
show me up.
around?
Show me up to hit what they have done to me. Me know. Me know. They no win, you know. They no win. This is just a phase in my life for me I go through now. I have to live and learn, you know. But you know the worst part about it? For my sister gone up.
Your sister gone?
Yeah. I make them change over her name. Because you see through me I get the opportunity to go over. I make them put fear her name. And make she go over they go live for me and her. But anyways, you know so she not call me none tall when she gone over.
Why me feel like something fishy about this? But anyways, and your sister, I'm not getting into phone now.
Anyways, me say me
Oh.
just love how you turn police. And listen to me, you know. It's when me drive on my car and me a speed, I come stop me, you know, because I know face style, you know.
One ticket for you.
I know face style, you know, but I come stop me, you know, because I know that it kind of mash up me look police record,
Record,
but I
yeah.
come stop me, you know. But my friend, happy for you. I'm happy for you.
But I don't understand. I don't really understand what's going with you and your sister. Or your sister just change around in a blink of an eye. So, but then we find out. Because as my grandmother always say, what goes around have to come
Comes
back
back
around.
right around.
But anyway, I have to go over because I kind of have some homework to do. So me can check you tomorrow.
Alright. I'll call my
Alright.
sister now.
Yeah man, do your thing. I don't trust your sister.
No, she not answer. Let me call her again. So she like a black, she black me so.
Hello? What on, sis? I'm not here. How things with you?
Why? We just stay and take it easy.
Everything good?
I really know we just have to take it easy, but you know what I said to you.
Mm-hmm.
What am I friend then go over there?
Yeah.
She come back already. So I want you. So you don't come back now.
Oh, you know, say I should be extend my work trip. Mm-hmm. So in the next 6 months.
Okay, so you can't go on.
Why? If you tell the truth. Me not get no pay yet. That's why I'm extending. I don't want to come out let me pay. You understand? Yeah, so as soon as me get more money, man, me make you get it. Cause over here hard. Me think Jamaica did hard, but over here tough.
Why, sis? They are feeling it, but there's a go on money.
Just go and take care of yourself, man. In the next 6 months, you will see me.
Alright, go and take care of yourself.
Alright.
Love you.
Alright, love you. Who that?
I mean, babe. Finally, I come. I couldn't find a place.
Alright, go
Me
on.
say, after so much Skyping and swiping.
Man, come here.
Come here, listen the door. What me I say? Really miss you and thing,
Yeah, me miss it too, but...
Yeah. So, what things you say I can from Skype?
Yeah,
From
no, I just do shirt and
Machine.
underpants, yeah.
This upon sir. This must cost you a fortune because when I look on the site. What the money for you really buy for you?
Yeah, $1,000 US we pay for it.
1,000 US. That boy can't chat him touch road now this year. Real. I have the shirt to match it. Yeah man. A good galang. Alright, if we are going nowhere, can wear it. So why you get a room with 2 bed?
You don't say I'm the only one available.
Oh.
So I have to just take it.
Well, all I do, the more the merrier. I walk upon the 2 of them.
That's
Yeah,
all
I'm
I
tired.
So I have enough for your head. That's true. It's hard.
So what's up? How you been?
I miss you. I'm go for my phone and come back.
No, listen up. When you never find it, play the phone. Play with me.
No, we always have on phone with 24/7.
Yes, but now that me here, you don't need phone. No man.
What you need?
You need phone.
We don't need no one.
Everything get postponed.
One thing with the high. What you need?
Everything. But we go start it soon. Even me hungry now, I gotta get some food first because never you go and work and not eat first. You eat your food, then you come to the bedroom. I don't want the penny and drop down and then say, why that kill me. Alright?
Laugh after you too. Go and get the food.
So I'm going.
Get the food.
So give me your money now. Give me your US. That's on US as well. I can't take it. You know, easy, say I write to man for me. Yeah, man, yeah.
You stay long,
But not time long, man. Let's get something to eat and come back. You want to eat?
No, you will know me.
You get it. You want to eat?
Just hurry up and come.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
No hold. There is just something some just want to take it out to make you feel like you're somebody in the field, okay? The eye then closed. Sure. Open them. Ta-da! Love you.
Yes, sir. Party tonight?
Yes. Drink and enjoy yourself. Okay. So, we just want to release Really?
You just look nice and comfortable, my friend.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna get some champagne and I'm gonna get some little things for enjoy ourselves, you know. Know yourself. Every disappointment is for a reason, right?
Yeah.
So we go there so feel nice, we'll drink, watch TV, play, and a little thing, you know. Alright, so guess what? Just go and relax and watch a TV. Maybe get your champagne or something, something feel like in my eye.
Alright, go and do your thing.
Yeah, man.
Ray, good friend better than pocket money. I will tell them. So my friend rich and all talk. What's a bad not here, man?
That's a waste my time, so round and round. Eh?
Hey, I pay you, you know.
So what that
you
mean?
think I free me a driving a sofa? Eh?
$1,000? You think $1,000 can fool me tank, miss?
That not have nothing to do with me. Anyway, you not for that one, so. Me go in the supermarket, go get one champagne and come back.
Hurry up. Got time. Your time depend me. Time depend me, miss. Go on, miss.
Alright. Why am I miserable such?
Don't feel the $1,000 can buy. Can buy my guess. I can't afford it. Eh? That lifestyle.
I don't want nothing to you.
Wait!
Wagwan. Yeah, man, come
You're bossa now. 1 month!
Wagwan, you good?
Not really.
Yeah, man, then I give you one vibe still. See it?
Can
My
vibes are good.
mom just come from foreign, you know
I'm
what I
fine.
mean?
Eh?
Yeah, man.
So which way find her though?
No, go down here, man. Down here on the grill, man. She
A
did
niggle?
there. No, she went there for
Oh,
a
she
long
went
time,
there.
man. But she grew up on a farmer program. And she just come back, you know. You know what I
Eh?
mean? Yeah, man. Long time I see you in the street, still. Where you are? I know me traveling, you know, so. By yourself, I want juice, say, and all the vibes. Yeah, man.
Yeah!
Yeah, man. You're good, though.
What you mean me good now?
I see you up on the road. All right.
Pump scout! Yo, sometimes it's good for just be obedient and not be miserable, you know. Sometimes it's just good for just hold your order, you know. Because see, you know, my father I get $100 plus $1,000. Oh, yeah, man, I mean, man. Are this again? Yeah. All right, no problem.
I go over there so collect one food.
You collect food? Yeah. Me say me girl, Jesus Christ, man. Me say me there, so. You know, say, you bless somebody. You bless somebody. As of today, I'm sorry. You are going. I stand up here and my brethren no reason, you know. And my brethren give me $100 US. You know what that mean?
I drop me a man. Come on.
You make me happy and sad at the same time. How you do that? Pumbat!
How make you feel so sad?
I know say me dey think about to call my sister though. But I know she just step on my mind.
Funny enough, you know. Me just see one girl that look just like your sister at the door, you know. Me say, me could have swear things say your sister me say a while ago.
No, sir. My sister, they are Miami. Them extend our time to 6 months. So, I know for my sister.
Them extending?
Yeah.
That she extending. But by the way, tell me something. Why your sister extending and she not sending no money or nothing from when?
She say she a try to work up some money and things hard over there and one bag of rate it. So, me just a go and hold out until she have it. She send it come give me.
She not get no pay?
No, sir. She said the money where she get other day, she have to pay for all heap of bills. So,
What kind of bills your sister have to pay? Me not understand that. And you believe that, Pinky? You believe that? And what kind of bills? Oh, she has send money come a Jamaica come give you? To bill house? To pay water bill? To pay light bill? Huh? So how she have all heap of bills? Me not understand my sister too lie and wicked. And by the way, we not on farm working and them cater for you. You get something to stay free, you get something to eat free, and all of them something. So I don't understand what your sister say. Call back your sister to find out what really are going because something wrong here.
Alright, you know what I should call her? Yeah, me call her. No.
Girl, go and call her. Me get 2 cups of bus of champagne now. Cause
Alright, dear thing.
me not make she spoil for your fun. How you not get through? Left that aside, me give and come we pop champagne and drink. Me not get up yourself stress out yourself. Left all that stress I had. Come a fun time now. You come.
Alright. My girl. You do with me good though.
You come boss this sir.
No man, you bossy. You bossy man.
Alright. This not safe. Ready?
Champion.
Woo! You
Freedom!
Massa.
Freedom!
Oh, this a Jamaican life, no sweet.
Sweet at the picture.
Just taste one little bit. Just sweet of them up with that. Later you get more weight. I'm full up my cup.
Ramp with me. Don't do that. Cheers.
Alright, seafood here now. Yeah. Cheers to better life.
And good friendship.
Amen. Alright, come, you come. Give me this. This is one little ice. How long time you not drink? Eh?
Stress. Oh, a matter of fact, let me call my sister. Cause right now, I have this energy of fear.
You're back, yeah.
Yeah. What you doing in the kitchen? Oh, your sister call. Your sister up on the phone. What you doing in the kitchen, though?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
Fine. No, can go on it for me.
Sis, me don't tell her how you think go already, man.
Alright. So where you there?
Yeah, man, me there and get ready for go to work.
You ready for go to work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sis, remember say Miami me there, you know things to do.
Yeah, man, me understand, but What me I say now, when I get paid?
Weekend.
Oh, so you can send me one 3 bills then.
3 bills? But me not really sure, cause remember say I not really, me don't even know if me will get paid still no, but probably if me get paid, me can send $150. Keep them over here, I pay full niche them I go on with no. So
Alright, sis, make you want 5 bills then. I'm calling you now, no money for give me.
What kind of foolishness friend I go on with? Your sister take you for one idiot.
Girl, love my sister no.
Your sister love you?
Of course.
Your sister love you? If your sister didn't love you, your head would look so.
Listen to me now, Marika. Make we just enjoy with time.
Yeah.
Yes, right. Because you see, this is sister business. You know, go nowhere right now. Me just want to get high and drop in our bed. So,
Right. Drink if you drink.
Babe,
yeah?
where are you doing this? Come in now.
Me dey talk to my sister.
So we can go and talk to your sister. I'm not talking to you. So why you not tell them say they're Jamaican still? Cause obviously they don't know say you're there, you know.
Boy, my family them they freak out bad. Me can't tell them say me there. If me tell them say me there every minute they go want come beg. You know the amount of money me send come give me sister already what more she want, what she call me I feel me on your time now. For me and your time. She used to call me, so I still have to tell her something there, man. You understand?
Well, a good thing you come off of the phone still, cause with them peeny wall here, only Jamaica alone them there, you know. The dog them sound like a Jamaican dog, but the peeny wall you can sound them, you know, they're fine none at all. Yes?
Well, you come off her phone, so she had.
So they don't have to that too. So we see how they know.
I don't know, what you want to do? You want to go?
Yeah, we can do that. So we can take a shower first.
Yeah.
And by we take a shower and we give a full body massage. If you recover from a massage you want to go somewhere, we can go maybe to the jungle, we can go to the down look at some of the reggae band, do some reggae music on the
like
beach.
reggae.
Reggae music.
I don't like reggae.
What you like?
I'd rather go jungle.
Jungle. Alright then. Me into reggae, you into dancehall. We'll go meet in the middle, right?
So be it.
Alright. So why we do 1 hour reggae, 1 hour dancehall then? Try to have one club round them, we can drop you off now.
Come on. Yeah, wait, pan.
No, we just say relax first, cause today was a day and a half. I tell you.
We got, oh, we got, oh, hey, it's not like yesterday. We got problem now, 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 we got problem now. You can run but you can't hide. You can run but you can't hide. You'll have to pay for the things them you do. Not gonna get away so easy. Not gonna get away so easy. We got problem now.
Yes man, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. You can hear the peony one of them. Hear them outside, the Jamaican vibes that. You know what I mean? You take and go do what you do, you know. So we are fight a war. It's not an easy war we fight on a daily basis. Oh, good news, couple of days from now, I'm earth strong. You know what I mean? You know we go. It's a milestone survive in a Jamaica when you know what I mean? If it doesn't survive it. You know what I mean? So when you calculate it, you take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So we know on pensive mode. Yeah, we know so we put in a lot of work and it take what you take and do what you do. We still have whole heap of improvements, enough things to improve. You know what I mean? But we're trying to survive it first. You know what I mean? After we survive it, we go get better and then we can do more. You know what I mean? But you know we go when you're poor. So we started from here. So same way. So anybody want to do a donation to the movements, you know we go link me. Or if you want to do something for my Earth Strong same speed, just make a link. Your number go up on the screen same speed. You know what I mean? Cause I have some plans that I know more of my Earth Strong same speed. So all of my number one fans them. Reach out to I if you can afford it. Yeah man. I have something more, I know I really want for my Earth Strong. You know what I mean? So the good fans I'm out there, man. I don't know. Reach out to I let I tell you what I want. Cause I think that year I should be happy. You know what I mean? But it's life itself, man. But kind of tired though. You can see it on my car. Really and truly. I try get enough work done. I think I have about 6 movies. But the thing about movies my time you have them and most of them with 50%, 60%. It take a time to done them. But me feel good within myself. I've put in a lot of work, you know what I mean? And still I do it. You know what I mean? So we don't talk too long. But more big up people who make it possible from that time to this time. We have to start from Damien, you know what I mean? We have to start from there's so much people, you know. But some of them Empress G is a main person too, you know what I mean? Then all of the producer them from Jews, you know what I mean, to Cool Breeze, you know what I mean, to what the people them name? Overall Settings, you know what I mean, to Antoinette, to Stacy, you know what I mean? So we give thanks, you know what I mean? Media Vibes, big up yourself, same speed too, you know what I mean? So big up the donation people them same speed. Mr. Perkins, big up yourself, same speed, you know what I mean? Give your strength, you know what I mean? Well appreciated, you know what I mean? And big up to all the people them who promise when I fulfill them promises too, you know what I mean? Cause it take what it take, you know what I mean? Miss Williams, big up yourself, same way you have been real strength to the movements, you know what I mean? So we acknowledge, you know what I mean? So we have a local vibe, I try to build up a thing, but I want to reach this stage part I can actually end the year I can do like we call it now, award show. You know what I mean? We want to give yourself one Oscar. You know what I mean? We want to do something for yourself. You know what I mean? If nobody not highlight we highlight we. If they don't like we like we. You know what I mean? And that's on the pre. Yeah man, that type man. So we try have some self-love within ourselves. So we want to give yourself for one of things them in the meantime. You know what I mean? That type man. So we there going with the top still, you know. So big up to one and everybody where keep the fire blazing and continue and support the thing. You know what I mean? Mandeville. We just go Mandeville over there. Big up the people them in Juicy Beef, you know what I mean? Just for yourself, man, burn it down to the ground, man. Keep watching, you know what I mean? Big up to our fans when we meet in Juicy Beef to take picture and thing. Bless myself to man, you know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. You know what I mean? The interaction I get to go to the street can I give more courage. Because it's not like we're making a bag of money off it, you know, for what we are doing. But we are survive and we are trying to make it work to go to the next stage, you know what I mean? So all the work I go on same speed. So we now on pensive mode, we are keep a finger crossed, you know what I mean? So you go take what you take and go do it. Big up everybody out there in the world, you know, big up on yourself, man. As a man, that's San Franco, big up on yourself, man. You know what I mean? The whole network, you know what I mean? The whole world, Negril, Westmoreland, Jamaica, Caribbean, England, America, Canada, wherever I come from, man, you know what I mean? Whole of Caribbean cover, you know, whole of Africa cover, big up Africa same speed, you know what I mean? Motherland that, you know, stolen from Africa with there. You know what I mean? So, enough things to give thanks, sir. Yeah, man. So that I, so, me I go and pray, just soon answer. Let's go.